Mayo truly makes everything better. So here's my serenade to Southern salad. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. All right, y'all. It's not often that I get to speak about something I'm actually passionate about. Mayonnaise. Yep. And in the South, we have opinions on mayo. Say it with my chest. Mayo. From keeping our cakes moist to polishing piano keys, mayo is the answer. And today, we are counting down all of the ways that mayonnaise is used in the South. I'm your host, Leah Gibson, and this is The Tea. Coming in at number 5, the secret ingredient in our chocolate cakes. Southerners are known for the delicious and decadent desserts. I can see it now. After taking a big bite of chocolate cake, the person screams out about how moist and melty it is and demands to know how it's made. It may come as a surprise to many folks, but the secret ingredient to a perfect chocolate cake isn't just love. It's mayo. Instead of using oil, extra egg yolks, or lemon juice to add richness to the chocolate cake, we use a heaping cup of mayonnaise in the batter. The combination of ingredients used in mayo perfectly combines and elevates the cake, creating the richest chocolate cake around. A word to the wise though on this recipe, many people discourage tasting the batter before the cake fully bakes. Something about raw chocolate batter and a cup of mayo just doesn't quite make you want to lick the spoon, you know? I heard that's currently up for debate, but I'll let you be the judge. If mayo and chocolate cake sounds good to you, check out Southern Living's very own chocolate mayonnaise cake recipe below. Next up is number 4, getting chewing gum out of your hair. Using mayo to get chewing gum out of your hair might not be exclusively a Southern trick, but today we're going to claim it as Southern anyway. There are many different strategies one might try when there's a wad of gum stuck in your hair, including soap, ice cubes, hair conditioner, and coconut oil. But nothing works quite as good as a little mayo on the scalp. It's something about the chemical makeup of mayo that makes the chewing gum soften up and slide right out of the hair. This trick will save you time and a bad haircut. Thank me later. Coming in at number 3, pear salad. While some folks consider salad to be a bowl of leafy greens, carrots, cucumbers, topped with a little vinaigrette, in the South, we do things a little differently. Our most popular salads include potato salad, creamy overnight fruit salad, ham salad, and of course, permanent slaw salad. But my favorite salad by far is definitely pear salad. The main ingredient used in it is, you guessed it, mayo. Some people don't think too highly of pear salad, and that's their burden. It's canned pear atop of lettuce, sprinkled with cheddar cheese and a maraschino cherry, tied together with a dollop of tangy mayo. Sounds so good. I mean, yum. Mayo truly makes everything better. Number 2, cleaning with mayo. In the South, we are known for hosting parties and get-togethers as often as we can, which means that we always have to be ready to entertain in a clean home, of course. My grandma swears that mayo is her best all-in-one cleaner and a Southern home's best-kept secret. Because mayonnaise is already made up of oil, lemon juice, and vinegar, it's actually an incredible cleaning agent with the ability to perfectly polish furniture, get rid of watermarks in wood, break down adhesive residue, shine up your favorite houseplant's leaves, and even gently bleach finger smudges from ivory piano keys. Although there might be a slight odor after your house has been rubbed down in 2 jars of mayo, it's totally worth it. Jeez, what can't mayonnaise do? Coming in at number 1, sunburn relief. Wearing sunscreen on a daily basis is super important. Yet somehow, every year there's always an unexpected sunny afternoon or a nap on the beach after one too many beverages that causes the sunburn of a lifetime. Enter mayo. To subside the pain from sunburned skin, slather cold mayonnaise all over the affected area, and within moments, the stinging will be relieved and the skin will be further moisturized. On sunburns, it's for temporary relief and not for healing. But hey, that's more than any other condiment can do, so take that ketchup. Becoming human sandwiches to get rid of sunburn? Now I've heard everything. Well, there you have it, folks. The mayo content of your dreams. From salads to sunburns, mayonnaise truly is the most versatile condiment that the South has to offer. Subscribe to our channel if you think the tea should be called the Mayo. I'm your host, Leah Gibson, and this is The Tea.